Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas and welcome to the third episode on how to create your own CAD/MDT. In this video, we'll be creating small, important pages in a CAD that is recommended to be there. Those pages will be as follows: the approval page, the ban page, and last but not least, the lockdown page. We will be starting off by creating the approval page, which will be connected to the sign up button that we have created in the first episode. So simply, you're going to click here, click add a new page will be approval, there you go, and I'm gonna make it a copy of index because I need the same layout and same design. Simply we're gonna delete this, make sure this is a copy, it's not the index, it's a copy of the index page, so you don't have to delete what you have worked on. And even if you by mistake delete it, you can just click here, it'll bring back everything. Alright, now let's delete this. Okay, so we are going to look for group. We're gonna make a group in the middle, just like that. Oh, we did create a group. Alright, we're gonna do it again. Then we're gonna center it, go a little bit up, make sure it's always centered, make it black, and a little bit transparent. That looks good. We're gonna make it 20, give it a little bit of transparency, just make sure it looks great. Oh, whoops. There you go. And there it is. So, we're gonna go here, go in text, and it's gonna be a text called, let me think. Okay. It's gonna be called please wait to be approved. There you go. Font style is none. We're gonna make it max, which is gonna be 36. Then we can center it, and I believe that's not centered. There we go. And we're gonna take this. This one is gonna be 24. Then this is gonna be you will be approved in 1 to 3 days. Now to make it a little bit bigger, there you go. Make sure that this is also centered. Always make sure it's always centered, or it will look weird. Staff doesn't approve your account, then retry afterwards. There you go. Now we're gonna take this, put it down here, centered and everything. Now we're gonna go to data, then we're gonna go to data type, user, gonna go to create a new field. This one is gonna be approval. Then it's gonna be a yes or no. Then you click create, but in my case I already have it created in here. So what we're gonna do after creating the approval, simply we're gonna click here every 5 seconds. It's gonna take the person to the index page, which will take them as they got approved, as fast as they got approved in like 5 seconds. So if you approve a user, it automatically in like 5 seconds will send them to the index page, and they will have to log in and they will be approved from there. So simply we are done with this page. Alright, as you have the approval page done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the pop-up for the sign up, click here, double click it, start and edit workflow, click on it, then it's gonna take you here. After the button, what you're gonna do, sign up, and it will take you to the approval page. Go to page, approval, there you go. Then we're gonna move this and put it here, and you are done with this page. You click approve, make sure you have it working. Okay, in 5 seconds it should send me to the, yep, there it is. So the reason why it sends me to the login page. So if you go to data, app data, all users, and look for the email that you, or you, probably your email. If you don't have an email, make sure to register using the sign up button that we have created. I'm gonna click here. So the approval in my case is gonna be true. If we set that to false, and yep, there you go. And we click preview. Wait a second for it. So nothing is gonna happen because I'm not approved. It's not gonna send me unless I go back to data, go here, make it true, and automatically in 5 seconds it's gonna just send me right back to the index page where I have to log in. So let's log in. Demo. Yep, there you go. That works. Okay. So we're not basically done with the approval thing. The last thing you have to do is go to the index page, go to workflow, then add this. It's gonna be general, do every 5 seconds, and then it's gonna be send, it's gonna go to page, it's gonna be approval. If current user approval is a no. There you go. And now we are done. So maybe also do the same thing with the home page. We're gonna click the workflow every 5 seconds, go to page, approval. Maybe not, wait. We're gonna take it to the index. If current user isn't logged in, or current user approval is a no. There you go. That works. So if a user isn't approved by you and tries to log in, so let's see what happens if someone who's not approved tries to log in. There we go. So in 5 seconds, it's just gonna kick me from the home page into the index page. And from there, it's just gonna take me to the approval page. Now, as we're done with the approval page, now we will be going to create the ban message page. There's a lot of ways to do this, but I suggest for a starter to create another page to make it easier on yourself. So we're gonna make a ban page. It's gonna be ban page, or actually let's call it ban page. It's gonna be an exact copy of approval, so it's not an issue. We wait for that. So we're gonna click here. It's gonna be, it seems that you have been banned. Oh no, you have been banned from the CAD. There you go. It's gonna make this a bit bigger, and we're gonna center it. We're gonna take this. It's gonna be, if you believe this is a mistake, if you believe this is a mistake, please contact the staff team as soon as possible. There you go. That's how it should look. Yeah, take it up here, make it centered. Same thing here, like that. Then we're going to data, user, and we're gonna write here banned, yes or no. Gonna be yes or no. Create. Then we're gonna go to workflow. We're gonna use this. So it's gonna, if current user banned is a no, it's gonna send them to the index page. So that's literally it. It's just like the approval page. but this one is a banned page. So simply we're going to do the same thing that we did with the approval page, which go here every 5 seconds, go to page, which is going to be the banned page, current user banned, current user banned is a yes. Same thing, we're going to go to the index page, there you go, I'm going to copy that. It's going to be the banned page, current user banned is yes. We're going to put that on the test. Gonna test it really quick. Gonna go here, set that to true, so it can approve me. Alright, now we're gonna go here, kind of laggy. We're gonna go here, and you're gonna see this new option called banned. Just gonna simply set that to true, save, gonna wait 5 seconds. There you go. It's gonna send me to the ban page. It seems that you have been banned from the CAD. If you believe this is a mistake, please contact the staff team as soon as possible. So that's simple. And the last page for today will be the lockdown page. This page is important only in the emergency situations. For example, in case of hackers, errors in codes, etc. So simply, we're gonna do the same thing. It's gonna call lockdown page. Called lockdown page. There you go. And it's gonna also be a copy of approval. They don't have to look the same. You can change the design, but I'm gonna make them look the same. This is not a problem. Okay, so first is gonna be, it seems that the site has been temporarily locked down. No, that's not right. Locked down until further notice. I'm just gonna copy that. I'm gonna call website lockdown and then make it big. There you go. It's gonna be the title, of course. Of course, you can change it if you really want to. You can design it and make it look better, but for now, I'm just gonna keep it like that, which is simple. Then contact the server staff team for more information. There you go. Maybe we shouldn't put a space. Yep. So we're gonna go to date again. It's gonna be simple. A new field, lockdown. It's also gonna be a yes or no. Create. And we're gonna, this time we're gonna add a button. Maybe I'm just gonna add it here. I'm gonna make a button. It's gonna be disable lockdown. Okay. It's gonna be white. I'm gonna make it transparent. Give it a little bit slide, and it's gonna be. Click on it. It's gonna be white. 10. I'm gonna give it a big size. There you go. Make it maybe a little bit bigger. Alright. So we're gonna start the workflow for this page. Which is gonna be every second current user lockdown is a no. And let's see. Current user approval is a no. When this is clicked, we're going to data thing, then make changes to a list of things, and it's gonna be users, and it's gonna be do a search for users lockdown equals now. There you go. So you don't want this button to be clicked by normal people, for example members. So we're gonna have to go to data, go here, and make a new group called administrators. It's gonna be a yes or no. Create, and this one's gonna be invincible, so it's only gonna load when you add another workflow. So this button is gonna be only when current user administrator is a yes. And here we're gonna add page is loaded. It's gonna show the button. There you go. If current user admin is yes. There you go. And also here to make sure current user admin is a yes. Now this is gonna take the user, I believe, website lockdown. It's gonna take them to the index page. To be safe, it's gonna just take them to the index page. And this should be it for this page. Let's give it a test. I believe I'm still banned. Haven't changed that yet, so let's just make sure that's... oh, there it is. You also noticed the new administrator just said that's true. If you want to put yourself as an admin, you have lockdown here, which I'll show you how to do it in a bit. So, I'm gonna turn that to true. Click save. It sent me to the ban page again, okay? Because I haven't updated. Let's go back. Just gonna give it 5 seconds if I have done it. Oh, okay, so I forgot to add that feature. Well, let's add that right now. Gonna go to page, and it's gonna be the lockdown page. Current user lockdown is a yes. Same thing in the home page. Every 5 seconds. If current user go to page lockdown, current user lockdown is a yes. There you go. So instead, you don't want to go through the pain of clicking here and setting lockdown for everyone. So what I simply suggest you to do is add a button in the management panel. Sadly, I won't be making an episode on how to create the management panel, because people could use it for exploiting the CAD, hacking into it, and a bunch of stuff that I don't want to go through. So I'll show you how to do the button. It's not a problem. I'm gonna make, let's see, I'm gonna make another test button. It's gonna be another page. It doesn't have to be a clone for anything. So how to do a button is, you're gonna click here, add the button, you edit it and whatnot. It's gonna be enable, enable lockdown. There you go. Here's a button that enables the lockdown. So you're gonna click here and make changes to a list of things. Users, do a search for users, then lockdown equals a yes. So from there, it's gonna take every 5 seconds. It should be in every page, not just the home page, not just the index page. It should be in the Blaine County Sheriff page, all the departments page, the civilian, every page. It's safer. So now every 5 seconds it will go to page lockdown, and this is gonna, no wait, it's gonna be here, current user, lockdown is a yes. Make sure also to make this only for admins. So when it's clicked, make changes, when current user, administrator is a yes. There you go. So let's click preview. It's gonna take me to the test page. And to make sure that I do not have my lockdown, yes, it's false. So simply we're gonna click on the button, we're gonna wait 5 seconds, and it's gonna take me to the page. Of course, because I'm an admin, the button shows up, but if I took my admin away, like that, and restart the page, the admin button is not there. As you can see, the button is not there because I'm not admin. So I only have to be admin to be able to disable the lockdown page. So simply we're gonna click here, it's gonna identify you that it's been updated, restart the page, then there you go. Just click on disable lockdown page and it will take you straight to the index page. So that was it for today. This does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.